Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made dal chawal and jeera aloo. Take a moong dal, wash it well, add in water, turmeric powder, pressure cook for 2 whistles. In a pan, heat oil or ghee, add in cumin seed, dry red chilli, Asafoetida, onion, saute for 1 minute, add in green chilli, ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add in tomatoes along with turmeric powder, chilli powder, cumin powder, mix well. Add in the cooked dal and water. Season with salt and a little bit of sugar. Bring everything to a boil. Add in coriander leaves. That's it. Your dal is done. For jeera aloo, take boiled potato. Add in turmeric powder, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, salt and garam masala powder. Heat little oil. Add in jeera. Let it sizzle. Add in the potato. Cook till it is nice and roasted. That's it. Your jeera aloo is done. Let's pack the lunchbox. I added cooked rice and dal and jeera aloo. Popcorn is in her snacks box. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.